How to add a separate Wi-Fi option on control panel in iOS 18. At first, go to this shortcuts app. It's already in your phone. Just click on it and then just click on plus icon. After that, just click on search and type Wi-Fi and click on set Wi-Fi. And then just click on turn and select toggle. After that, just click on here this arrow mark and then click on rename and type Wi-Fi and then click on done. Click on it again and then click on choose icon. Select blue mark and look for connectivity. It will be in bottom. Just look for it. Yeah, here. Just select Wi-Fi option and click on done and then click on done again. So now go to your control panel and click on plus icon and then click on add control. In the search box, just type shortcut. Click on this shortcut option and click on choose. Then finally click on Wi-Fi. So as you can see, now it's here. So now you can put anywhere you want. Like I want to put it here. As you can see, now you can turn on Wi-Fi or turn off directly from here. So this is how you can add a separate Wi-Fi button on control panel. If this video helps you out, subscribe my channel. It will help me a lot. Thanks for watching.